Hi, I'm Wendy Gardner. Extend the life of your bra with these lovely extension kits. So the replacement pieces there are two different pieces. You've got the hooks and the eyes. And the eyes are attached to a nice long piece of elastic. So actually you can use this as a bra extension as well as a replacement. Now I've cut some of the elastic off because I actually don't need that much extra. The first thing I'm going to do is remove my old hook and eye from my bra, and then I can add the new. So the hooks are wrapped around the raw edge. I'll just pin that in place. So I'm pinning through the back as well as the front here. And I can use a zigzag stitch to stitch this through all these layers on my sewing machine. Alternatively, of course, you could hand sew if you prefer. Having wrapped the hook section around the bra, I'm now ready to sew it. Now I'm going to sew by machine, and if you have difficulty feeding it through because it catches on the feed dogs, put a little layer of tissue underneath and make sure it feeds nicely. I'm using my zip foot and a zigzag stitch, but I have made sure that the needle is going to go down into the little gap in the foot and not hit the actual foot itself. So I'm just checking that, and then that is now ready to sew. Start by going forwards, and then I'm just going to go back to lock that stitch and then go forward again. Now, because you're working with very bulky fabric here, I'm just going to use the edge of the scissors to make sure it's going under the foot and it's feeding through okay. When you get to the end, again reverse stitch to lock it in, and that's ready. So I'm now going to stitch the eyes to the other end of my bra strap, and I've tucked the raw edge under, pop it under the machine, and again I'm using a zigzag stitch, but I don't need to use my zipper foot this time, so I've just changed it to my regular foot. Just anchor the stitching, and again I'm going to use my scissors to help feed this through because it is quite bulky going under this foot. And there it is, stitched in place. So having zigzag stitched on that side now, I'm ready to put my new hook and eye back together. I hope you've enjoyed that video clip. There are plenty more Hemline videos on youtube.com/Hemline International. And also, most of the products we've shown have extra colours or extra sizes. So to see more, go to www.hemline.com.